So there, right there in that freaking room, there's fucking weird shit happening. I can hear stuff moving in there. Now you can't hear because it's too like, you know, you can't hear because you're not here. But shit, I hear shit. It's 3 a.m., which is as known as the devil's hour supposedly. And I hear weird shit happening. Comment down below and tell me, when does this shit end? Like the time. When does it end? When does all the creepy stuff happen? Like when does it stop happening? Cause there has to be a specific hour where it stops happening. And yo, the stuff that I heard. And now this ain't nothing compared to my goddamn other old house. That shit, bro, it's fucking paranormal activity in my old house. I'ma tell you what I saw. Yo, man, I saw a fucking demon. Well, not a demon, a spirit. Bro, that shit was like maybe at least 6'11" or 7 foot tall. That shit was standing right there looking at us. Well, me, but my mom and my dad was sleeping. But yo, man, that shit was, he was staring right there. He wasn't moving at all. Yo, that shit creeped the fuck out of me. I'm not talking about my new house. I'm talking about my old house that's right beside this house. Nah, man, you can't. What I saw, bro, it was really scary. Hopefully nothing else happened right here.